Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can make a 3D text shadow effect in Canva. So first, when you're here in Canva, you can just go to this text tab right here, click on add a text box and type in like maybe test, and you can change the font into this Anton font right here. Okay, now you want to resize it and you want to recenter it right here. So after if you resized it and recenter it, you want to click a new page right here, add a new page, and you want to right click it, copy, go to the new page and paste it here, allow, and then what you want to do is you need to change the color of this by going here, and for example I'm going to change it into a brown color. I'm going to change it into kind of this color, and then you're going to go to share, go to download, and then check on this transparent background, so it's transparent, and the pages, change it to current page or the page 2. Click download, and now you can go back to the first page and you can drag the downloaded image into the first page. Now you want to click on the downloaded image and you need to right click, go to layers and bring to forward, and you just need to resize it now. Alright, as you can see, it has been resized. Now you want to go to apps right here, click on it and tap in reshape. Okay, now you click on this app right here, you go to the perspective and you want to drag the top dot slightly right, just right this. Okay, now what you want to do is you need to click save, and then you want to drag the downloaded test PNG here again, and then you want to resize it again. Alright, now you go to the perspective app again, you drag the bottom dot slightly right. Alright, click save, and now what you want to do is you click on this and you drag the crop button into the middle, just like this, and then you click on the bottom layer here and drag the above crop into the middle. Alright, as you can see the 3D text effect already, and you want to click on this top layer right here and you want to change the color into like blue. So I'm gonna change it to this blue right here. As you can see, now you have a 3D text shadow effect. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.